We've got the Viofo A139 Pro, Vantrue N4 Pro, Thinkware u3000, and the 70MAI A810. All 4K Sony Starvis 2 dash cameras. We're going to be showing you night recordings. We're going to start with 2 tunnel tests, and then we're going to follow that with the Blackout Test, late night driving, and then we're going to end it with chasing license plates. Enjoy. This is the Blackout Test. There will be lots more comparison video coming of these 4 4K dash cameras. Don't forget to like and subscribe.